Hello everyone, I'm Captain Imou. Today I want to share with you the treasure I just found. This orange box is so pleasing to the eye. Oh, it is a camera which I so desperately need. I need to keep an eye on all the treasures on my ship in real time. In addition to the camera, this box also contains a quick start guide. Let's install this light bulb camera and give it a try. It can be used for both surveillance and lighting. Its brightness is very high with a color temperature of 6500 K. In the smart night vision mode, it will light up when someone passes by. It has a very wide field of view, rotating lens, and no blind spots. I want one for each of my ships to prevent anyone from stealing my treasures. I can see live footage of my ships at any given time. As expected, 3K UHD image give great picture quality. You can even see the fish clearly. I also use this bob cam to watch over my garage. Let's see if this little guy can help me identify them. Oh, human and vehicles can be accurately identified. Now I'm relieved. This little guy will be my most trusted partner from now on. Bulb and camera 2 in 1. Captain Imou, approved.